Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. You can use two methods to turn on dark mode in your phone. For the first method, just open up settings app. After that, scroll down a bit, then go to display option. That's it. At the top you can find two options, light and dark. To enable dark mode you have to just select dark from here. And that's it, you can see it's enabled successfully. Now if I tap on dark mode settings, from here you can set schedule for dark mode. Just enable this option and you can find two options, custom schedule and sunset to sunrise, but I suggest you to set sunset to sunrise. That's it. Now for the second method, just go to home screen and then swipe down. Here beside the brightness slider you can find dark mode option. Just tap here and that's it. You can see it's enabled successfully, and that is how you can turn on dark mode in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.